Hello, in this video I just want to show you how to set up Backdrop Designer. So when you download this from itch, you'll get this folder, zip folder, and you want to extract all. Once you have extracted all, you'll see in here Backdrop Designer and some files that it requires. You want to copy this folder or cut this folder and put it on your desktop or maybe a second drive or something. So for now I'm just going to copy it to the desktop. I've made a folder here called custom, which is going to store my custom brushes. That's any images that I import. And I've got a folder here called images that I'm going to save any files. It's important that these folders aren't inside the same hierarchy here, because if you do this, they'll be moved to a kind of background folder inside appdata. You'll see that in a second. So I'm just going to show you an example. So I'm just going to call this folder on brushes, right? And this is what not to do. Okay, so if I go into Backdrop Designer, let's just say run it anyway. There's no problems with this. You let your AVG scan it or whatever you've got. So it's asking me where I should save the files for the brushes. So I'm just going to show you what not to do here. I'm going to that Backdrop Designer and do folder 1 brushes and then click save. Now what's going to happen is if I try to load a brush, it's going to load the brush, right? Let's just load this pizza icon. Right, it's going to load the brush there and everything's fine. We can change the tones of this and stuff. Okay, make different pizzas and pixel art it and things like that, and then export the image. And I'm just going to show you if I do again within that same folder. Let's call this test 1. Okay, I'm going to just escape this and show you that not only did the brushes not go into this folder, the image that I saved didn't go here. They went somewhere else, right? They went to %appdata %. I'm going to go up to appdata, local, Backdrop Designer. You'll see the brushes is there. There's the pizza icon. That's the one that I imported, and there's the these are the 2 texture files, I think. Yeah. So it's saved. It's auto saved 1, and it's also saved. So auto saved, and it also saved the main one. Okay, so that's what it does in the background, but you don't want it to do that. You want it to save in your own folders. So you shouldn't put any folders in here. Save them outside. Okay, so I'm just going to open that up again. And now because the custom brushes has been done wrong, I'll have to go back into the app data. This is how to fix things if you wanted. Go up here, go to local, go here and look for a file called, let's see, it should be called paths, and just delete that file, because what this does is looking at a certain path that it's created to store the custom brushes. Right, so now if I go back to here, and it's going to load and it's going to ask me to define where I want to store the brushes. Don't put a folder in here. So I'm going to use the desktop folder called custom, and then click save. And any images that I make. So you see the pizza thing's completely gone. So now I need to load that. Okay, and I can do this image like so. Okay, and let's say I'm happy with that. Then I'll just go File, Export Image, and images, and let's call this pizza 1. Okay, I can come out of pixel mode as well and then export the image, call it pizza 2. And that's it. So now on my desktop you see the custom brush is there, and these are important files that Backdrop Designer uses for working out brushes and things. And there's also the images of the pixel art. Okay, so one is this one. It always opens up Photoshop. Let's just open with photos. So there's that one, and there's the other one. And that is pretty much it. There's a few little bugs that you might come across, but feel free to report them. And yeah, that's everything. Thanks for watching. Bye.